5 seconds. Start. Education that too good. Education at least up to the primary level based upon values and morals is fundamental to the progress of the nation. Accepting the above fundamental principle, the Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002 wide Section 2 inserted Article 21A in the Constitution of India with effect from 1/4/2010, recognizing right to education to all children between the age of 6 to 14 years. Article 21A Right to education. The state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years in such manner as the state may by law determine. In furtherance of the above objective, the right of children to free and compulsory education Act 2009 was enacted on 26/8/2009 to provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years. The state of UP to promote primary education adopted the centrally sponsored scheme of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, now merged into Samagra Shiksha scheme launched in 2018, and decided to appoint part-time instructors, teachers on contractual basis in upper primary school class 6 to 8 throughout the state of UP. In order to implement the above program, the state of UP issued a government order dated 31/1/2013 contemplating to appoint part-time instructors, teachers on contractual basis on a fixed honorarium of rupees 7,000 per month to impart physical education, education in art and work education. The said government order stipulated for appointment of one instructor, teacher for every 100 students and prescribed the eligibility conditions and the minimum qualifications for the appointment of such instructors, teachers in accordance with the norms set out by the National Council for Teacher Education. Under the above program, an advertisement dated 25/2/2013 was issued by the state of UP inviting applications from eligible candidates for appointment as part-time contractual instructors, teachers in the upper primary school of the state. On the basis of the aforesaid advertisement, a vigorous exercise was undertaken for the selection of eligible qualified teachers for appointment as part-time contractual instructors, teachers in the upper primary school. Following the above exercise, a large number of teachers came to be appointed under contracts for 11 months on the fixed honorarium of rupees 7,000 per month with the condition that these instructors, teachers so appointed would not directly or indirectly take up any part-time or whole-time job anywhere else. The instructors, teachers so appointed were continued even after the expiry of contractual period of 11 months on renewed basis year after year, but their honorarium remained fixed at rupees 7,000 per month despite the fact that recommendations were made by appropriate authorities for the enhancement of the same. Though the recommendation so made were partly accepted and even some enhancement was made, but subsequently only the earlier fixed honorarium of rupees 7,000 per month was continued and paid to them. Aggrieved thereby, they invoked the writ jurisdiction of the High Court, challenging the decision of the Executive Committee of the Shiksha Pariyojana Parishad. The single judge of the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad decided the writ petitions and directed for the payment of rupees 17,000 per month to such instructors, teachers with effect from March 2017. However, in a special appeal to the division bench preferred by the state of the High Court by the common impugned judgment and order dated 2/12/2022 passed in several such special appeals directed the state government to pay honorarium of rupees 17,000 per month for the year 2017-18 only. The instructors, teachers are aggrieved for the reason that the High Court permitted payment of rupees 17,000 per month as honorarium to them only for the year 2017-18 and not thereafter. The state of UP is aggrieved for the reason that the burden to pay the said honorarium has been saddled upon it, though it was also for the central government to have contributed the necessary funds to bear that burden, and also because of the observations and the findings of the High Court regarding the interpretation of Section 7 of the Act. It is in these circumstances that all these appeals have come up before this court for consideration, raising a common question as to whether part-time contractual instructors, teachers appointed in upper primary school in the state of UP are entitled to revision of their honorarium of rupees 7,000 per month, which was fixed for a contract period of 11 months in the year 2013, or would continue to receive the same fixed honorarium for years together or for all times to come without any increment. The service contract provided that they will be paid a mixed honorarium of rupees 7,000 per month by the Zilla Basic Shiksha Adhikari, and that the period of their employment would only be 11 months subject to renewal, but is silent about the honorarium or renewal of term. It categorically provided that all such instructors, teachers will not directly or indirectly engage in any other whole-time or part-time profession or business or enter into the service of any other employer, full stop.